Hey, welcome to our second video in using Google Forms for online assessment and in-class quizzes. Let's go ahead and get started. This is video number 2. Lesson 2 Outcomes. This video lesson will take about 10 minutes to complete. Once again, I recommend you have a Google account open so you can follow along and try everything yourself. In this video lesson, we're going to learn how to use a template for a quicker start when you want to start a new quiz. Sending out links to a quiz so students can click on the links to take the quiz. Learn more question types. We can get beyond multiple choice. Let's see what else is out there. We're going to learn how to use linear scales for surveys in the classroom. And we're going to learn how to flip a classroom using the video option on Google Forms. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at Google Forms. Now here's Google Forms. Yesterday we started out the color quiz. But what if we want to start a quiz out quickly? We customized this one, so it took a little bit of time. So if I go to New, More, Google Forms, I can see there's an option for From a Template. We open up this From a Template option, and we can see there's a whole bunch of options here. Everything from RSVP, but down towards the bottom is education. We have a blank quiz, an exit ticket, which is sort of a short survey for how something went, online an assessment, worksheet, or a course evaluation. Now if I want to start the assessment, what that's going to do for me is put in already our name, email, and a few sample questions are already pretty much done. In addition to that, you can see that over here, the quiz settings are already on, so you don't have to worry about turning those on. This just makes it a little bit more convenient, a little bit faster to do. They're already worth 1 point each, so already required. Everything is set up for you. But let's go to our quiz from yesterday and see how that looks. Let's go ahead and remove this one. And this is yesterday's quiz. Alright, now, so far we have a short multiple choice quiz. Now let's add another section so that we can add more questions. Now add a section is right up here on this form. Add a section means to add a new page to the quiz. Okay, so now, let's go ahead and Control Z that. Anything I do that's not right, I can Control Z to make better. I want to go to the bottom of the quiz, then I want to add a new section. There, now this is all on page 1, and this section is page 2. Alright, and so I can put in short answer. So there's going to be more short answer types of questions. Let's go ahead and take a look at what this is going to look like. We can see that I have this part, but then it says next, page 1 of 2. If I click next, then I go to the second page, and I can start on that one. Oh, but it won't let me because, of course, I haven't filled everything in quite yet. So we'll get into that in a moment. Alright, so short answer questions. Now we want to do a short answer question. Let's say we want to use a picture to test our knowledge of something. So let's go ahead and get a picture. We can add an image first of all. We choose an image to upload, and let's just choose this picture of the planet Earth. Okay, so there's a picture image. Now I'm going to add an answer underneath that. And instead of multiple choice, I'm going to go ahead and put in a paragraph. Now paragraph, I know it says short answer, but paragraph is just a short answer. Short answer is a one-line answer only. So I'm going to put in a paragraph, and I'm going to say, name all of the continents on this planet. Alright, and now they're going to have a short answer. Now I can make that, edit that thing to give it some points. Let's give it some point values. Let's say 5 points for a short answer. Alright. I can also make this required, of course. Okay, so that's the next type of question. Now what else do we have? Let's add another question and find out. Once again, they always start with default multiple choice. But as you see, I also have checkboxes and drop-down. Checkboxes are much like multiple choice, except they're checkboxes. You can check many of them instead of just one. Drop-down gives you a drop-down menu. Pretty standard, not going to be used very often. What I want to use is the linear scale. Now the linear scale is mostly for surveys. I can make it from 1 to 5, or I can make it from 1 to 10 as I want to. 1, I'm going to put not great, and 10, I'm going to put excellent. Alright, and I'll make this required. Now what I've done here is given a linear scale, otherwise known as a Likert scale. They would just say on a scale from 1 to 10, what did you think of this quiz? So I'll put down, what grade, nope. What did you think of the quiz? Alright, and that's going to say from not great to excellent. Let's go ahead and take a look at what the quiz is looking like so far. I go to preview. Email address, once again I put down an email address. There we go. Put down name. This is going to be Jane Doe taking this time. We already had John yesterday. We're going to say the sky is blue, a banana is yellow. Now we go next. And only after we finish everything, it's going to let us go to the next part. So we have another question. Name all the continents on this planet. They are North America. And then we'll just put in some more answers just to get us to the next line. And you can see it just keeps on going. Okay. Then what do you think of this quiz? I can say from 1 to 10. Once again, send responses. Prove I'm not a robot by filling in the images with a car. Lots of images of cars here. Oh, but I clicked too soon. This is Google's CAPTCHA. And I don't know why it's making me do this many. There, I finally proven I am not a robot, so that's good. And then I go submit, and I have it. Okay, I can view my score. Let's go ahead to back to color quiz. Now say I want to get this out to students. Well, I need to send it. So I'm going to go click on send here. Click send. And now I can send it out by email. I can send it out by message, by form, or I can send a link out. Now this link, I can go ahead and take this, put it into an email, and they can click on it. I can put it on the class Twitter. Also notice I can send it out by a Google Plus account, a Facebook account, or a Twitter account if my classroom has one. I can shorten the URL just so it's not quite so complicated. I can also make a link on a web page. This is a little iframe. They'll put the quiz into the middle of a web page really easy. All I have to do is copy this whole thing and then just paste it into a web page. So you can see there's lots of different ways to send this thing out. So I'll go ahead and say copy, and now that's all copied. Alrighty, so what we've learned today is how to make some different type of questions, and how to send out a quiz, and also how to use a template to start things out. I hope you've enjoyed the lesson today, and please see the rest of the tutorial and contact me if you have any questions. Thank you so much. Have a great day.